How to clear Google search and browser history on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to clear Google search and browser history on Android. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Google Chrome on your device. Tap on search icon or the three dots at top right corner of the screen. Select history from the drop-down menu box. You will get access to this history page where you can simply see all your search history on Google Chrome. Simply you can tap on the cross icon next to it. If you want to further delete, tap delete browsing data at top left corner of the screen. Now here you will see different browsing data including browsing history, cookies and site data, cached emails and files, and many more. By default, it will be check mark. If you want to select the particular one, you can simply uncheck mark the other in this way and only select the particular one by tapping on the box next to it. You can tap on all time at top right corner of the screen and choose the time range. After that, tap delete data at bottom right corner of the screen and tap delete. This will help us to clear Google search and browser history on Android. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.